Let's start a circle in Google Sheets. We begin with a value of a from 0 to 2. So that's 0 up to 2. And a value of the angle, which is array formula a times pi times pi. Enter. And the cosine or the x coordinates. So array formula cosine of a times pi. And the y coordinates. So array formula sine of a times pi. And we chart this. We insert and we use the line chart. So we change this to a smooth line chart. And here you have a circle. We erase that. We need a space where our value of x is cosine and sine. So this completes the use of cosine and sine to draw a circle in Google Sheets.